Thanks. I'm here patient of Mr. Rajesh Suni doctor, and I was here as my AMS level was very low. So I will like to share my history actually. I had gone to a gynac, and she actually didn't support me and didn't tell me the importance of AMH. She did the test, but she didn't tell me that what should be the level, and she just asked me to go for IUI or IVF, as my husband's sperm count was also less. So she didn't actually treated it like it should be treated with medicine or anything else, but she just told me to suggested me to go with IUI. So I was like in very bad mood, in very depression type. So obviously nobody wants to go for IUI or IVF. So here, then I contacted many friends and I got one reference. So I visited Mr. Soni. So he actually told me the AMH's importance and its level and how much it should be to conceive naturally. So I started the treatment, and he also suggested me, even during the treatment also, in between also, there was a checkup, routine checkup also done. So after that, my level actually was very low. So from 1.6, it has gone up to 3.18. So obviously it has been increased, and my chances are like good now to conceive naturally. So he helped me a lot, and many other who are not aware of this thing, and there is any hormone imbalance in pregnancy or in thyroid or any disease. Actually this treatment really and it is also topically, so you don't have to take any medicine or anything, and it has been successful to me. So yes, it works, and you should come here if you have any hormone issues or anything imbalance there. And even in PCOD, PCOS, their hormone levels is very low or very high. So this treatment really works, and I'm happy with the treatment. And even my husband also was having the sperm count, very less sperm count. So he started his treatment also, and there is a very good effect on his sperm count also. It has increased a lot, and thanks to Mr. Soni. Thanks for the treatment. If anybody willing for treatment of this, then it really works, and it is good, and there is no medicine also to take. So it is good. Very good. Thank you.